Grandpa, listen, how much research did you do on your computer?
I watched a YouTube video on it.
For how long?
15 minutes.
And then who did all this research on building the computer?
You.
Who's you?
Dad.
And who read all the manuals?
You.
And who figured out it? Who figured it all out?
Where this goes, you.
Hold on, we got 99% of the computer what?
Done.
Done, right? So the only thing I'm asking you to do is what?
Find out where the hell this goes.
Tell mommy. Here comes mommy. Mommy.
Where this goes.
All right, listen. Hold on. Tell mommy. Tell mommy. Okay, we got how much of the computer done?
99%.
Okay.
All but the plug.
I have no idea where this goes.
Well, you better figure it out.
Exactly what
Because
I'm
that's
doing.
what Daddy's leaving them to figure out. I'm not helping on that part. Without that power, we can't play. Daddy got him good.